Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to System Display. This puts you where Night Light lives. Once there, turn Night Light on so you can adjust it. Make sure to use Quick Settings if you need a faster route. Click the clock, expand, and tap Night Light. You do this because Night Light reduces blue light and eases eye strain at night. By enabling it now, you can immediately customize color temperature and schedule in the next step. Now you adjust how Night Light behaves. Move the color temperature slider toward warm to reduce blue light. This affects perceived brightness and sleep signals. Once done, enable Schedule, choose sunset to sunrise for automatic activation, or set custom hours like 22:00 to 07:00 to match your routine. Make sure to preview the change. Windows applies it immediately so you can fine-tune. Because schedule and temperature work together, tweaking both gives the most comfortable nighttime display. Finish by confirming Night Light is on and that the schedule displays the next activation time. This verifies your settings were saved. If the feature seems inactive, open Quick Settings and toggle Night Light there. This often forces an update. If problems persist, update your graphics drivers or toggle Night Light off and on in Settings. Sometimes a restart of Windows resolves conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: check for third-party screen apps that override Night Light and disable them to restore proper behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.